नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects on this auspicious Krishna Janmashtami. Let's first offer our love, devotion, respects, gratitude, surrender to Krishna. Annalaya, Nityananda Annalaya is offering 108 Naivedyams. Let's first offer our respects to Bhagavan Sri Krishna on this great Janmashtami, the birth star celebration of Sri Krishna. First, then we will continue the satsang.
अथ धूपः ॐ दूर्वदूर्वं तन्दूर्वदयोस्मान्दूर्वदिदं दूर्वयं वयं दूर्वामस्तं देवानामधिगस्थितमं वप्रतमं दुष्टतमं मन्वितमं देवहूतमं ममृतवधीर्अवृद्धानं त्रिगुणस्तमाख्यामित्रस्य स्वादक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मासं वित्तामाचाहिगुंकुशम्. श्रीकृष्ण महापुरुषाय नमो नमः. धूपमाघ्रापयामि. अथ द्वीपः ोऽद्वीप्य स्वजातवेदो भाग्निर्यदितं मम पशोगश्चनस्वनावहजीवनं सदिशो दिशा मानो हि गन्धीजातवेदो गामस्त्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिभ्रदज्ञागहे श्रियाणापरिपादय. श्रीकृष्णमहापुरुषाय नमो नमः. एकहारदीपं संदर्शयामि. नमस्त्राय नमः. मधुराकारिताय दे मधुकरन्दिनवः आधीर्न सन्दोयजीः मधुनस्तमलोकधि मधुभक्तार्ति भगुन्द्रजः मधुद्वारस्तनस्थिता मधुमानो वनस्पतिर्मधुवागमस्तु सूर्यः दीर्घावो भवन्तु नः. मधो मधो मधो. श्रीकृष्णमहापुरुषाय नमो नमः. नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि. रात्रिकम् ॐ देविकानन्दाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ देविकानन्दाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ देविकानन्दाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. श्रीकृष्णमहापुरुषाय नमो नमः. कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षान् धारयामि
वसुदेवसुदं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवगी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Krishna, if I have to put in one word the life, legacy, message of Krishna, I'll use the word life. Just intense life. It expressed in body as ever youthful, healthy person. It expressed in intellect as amazing strategist. It expressed in emotion as a most beautiful, pure romance. It expressed in the dimension of length, the knowledge, the dimension of breadth, amazing artistic expression. Even when he is teaching the greatest truths, it was done in a very poetic form. His book is called Song, Gita, because it is more poetic than anything else. Singer, dancer, musician, strategist, a beloved for everyone. In length, he expressed knowledge in the breadth, pure art in the depth, the power he manifested in every action, the responsibility he has shown. Life, actually only who knows life can understand anything about Krishna, not otherwise. Not otherwise at all. Just the other day I was talking about one of the important message of Sri Krishna. Karmanye vadigaraste mabaleshu kadachanaha. Do your duty. Don't worry about the results. It is always interpreted by the bloody beggar fellows as, oh, don't worry about the result, just work, work, work. Do you want to say we should not get the salary and just work? Such stupid, impractical interpretation, understanding. Never the sloka means, oh, even if you get just 10 rupee, You go on be working for 10,000 rupee? No. That is not. I tell you, understand this story. You need to understand this story. Ramakrishna tells Vivekananda, you have to go all over the world and teach. Take my message. Vivekananda is shaken to the core. He shivers and says, not me, no, not so much work. I just want to be in samadhi. That's all. I just want to be in samadhi. Actually Ramakrishna fires him. I thought you will be a banyan tree for the whole world, and you are behaving so cheaply that you want to rest in samadhi, be in samadhi. I tell you. But once Vivekananda cognized his responsibility as a cognition, not as a work, the amount of work Vivekananda performed, still nobody is able to beat the record. Still nobody is able to beat the record. 9 years of public life, what he did, oh God. Still nobody is able to beat the record. Listen carefully. Now I am going to break the part. Don't think if you work for 10,000 rupee, you will get 10 rupee. This karmanyevadhikaraste mapaleshu katachanaha. Do your duty, don't expect results, is given to you as a consolation for a poor beggar to control himself, not to feel injustice is done to him, and just to be consoled and not to rebel. No, no. Hinduism is very clear. It has nothing to do with poverty or celebrating poverty. No. Listen carefully. This truth is not uttered as a political support. Most of the religions are political supportive mechanism. When the ruler cannot control the mass through the political ideas and strategies, he lets loose these religious lunatics, and they utter bloody stupid, controlling, suppressing, life negative ideas and keep the mass sober. Hinduism has nothing to do with it. In Hinduism, religious heads ruled the kings. Kings always sat down and received the strategy and orders. They were only executives. It is gurus who were constitutional heads. Kings were only executives, never constitutional heads. It is gurus who have been visionaries, constitutional heads. Understand, Hinduism has nothing to do with spreading the ideas to keep the mass under the control of the executive. No. Keeping the executive straight to the integrity of the interests of mass was Hinduism. This word, karmanyevadhikaraste mabalesha katachanaga, Ma karma baladurbuhu mate sangostakarmani. Understand? Do your duty, don't expect the results, is not told from that context. That if you work for 10,000 rupee, you may get only 10 rupee, but console yourself, don't rebel, don't feel injustice is done to you. No. Fool. Life is such, if you work for 10 rupee, you will be showered 10 billion rupee, but if you think you are going to be getting 10 billion rupee and you need to work for that, you will be overwhelmed and never start the work. Listen once more. Because Vivekananda thought such huge result he has to cause means so much he has to work as per his logic. He got overwhelmed about the work. Understand? Results are caused by the cognitive shift, not by the work. I need to tell you an incident from my life. Surely, many of you cannot even think I did this. I was 16. Vibhudanandapuri, Kuppammal. My guru calls me and says, I wanted to write my house. She had a house. Her house and the ashram she built for me in the enlightenment place. My enlightenment rock near. That ashram and this house, both she wanted to give it to me legally. Of course, that time I was minor, so she has to do a legal arrangement, certain legal arrangements, that I inherit that. Do you know what I responded? Running an ashram? I cannot do. I have to pay electricity bill. I have to buy groceries. I have to sweep, clean, take care. No. Nothing doing. I want to go on Parivraja Yatra, live under the trees, eat what I get by begging. Understand, I tell you with all my integrity, I told this. Running an ashram? I can't do that. தேறுகட்டின சாமிகளை பார்த்திருப்பிய, தேரோடும் தெருகட்டின சாமிகளை பார்த்திருப்பிய. சாமி இருக்க தெருமத்தில கோயில் கட்டின சாமியார்களை பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. தேரும் தேரோடும் தெருவும் தெரு மத்தியில் சாமி இருக்கும் கோயிலும் இது எல்லாம் நடத்த தெரு தேர் வடம்பிடிக்க மக்கள் வாழும் ஊரும் சேர்த்து கட்டின சாமிய பார்த்திருக்கிறாரா? ஒரு ஊரில் இல்ல, ஊருக்கு ஊருக்கு ஊரு கட்டி வைக்கிற சாமியா. Understand, I want to tell you. I want to tell you. If you understand this, straight you will manifest Sadashivatva. When I said to Kuppamal, I cannot run the ashram. ஆசிரமம் என்னால் நடத்த முடியாது பாட்டி. I told in Tamil. பாரு, உனக்கு இன்னும் புத்தியும் வரல, ஆசையும் போல இந்த ஒத்த வீட்டை வச்சுட்டு என்ன பாடுபடுற பத்தியா? I told her that still you have not got the intelligence, renunciation has not happened to you. Holding on to this house, how much you are suffering, you see, because all the sons, daughters, everyone wants the share in that house. In that ashram, a small team used to be with her, like our gang. That gang was trying to grab that ashram. She laughed and told, ஆமாண்டா, எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ணி வைக்கிற மாதிரி உனக்கு, எனக்கு இதுவும் வேணும் இன்னமும் வேணும். She told in Tamil, I am doing everything for you, na? I want this also and more. Understand. Listen. Listen to this truth behind this whole incident. That time, if I was told I am going to be the head of the organization with thousands of temples, ashrams, adinams. Listen. I am going to be head of the organization with thousands of temples, ashrams, adinams, universities this size. I would have started planning from my logic for this much work, this much result, how much work I have to do. Then I would have naturally been overwhelmed by my idea of the work I need to do, and I would have collapsed. That is what has happened. But I tell you, the logic of life is not you work for 10,000 and get 10 rupee. The logic of life is you work for 10 rupee, 10 billion is showered on you. You have a six bag and you see somebody's photograph of six pack. And you think, me six pack, no. From your logic, you think for this result, I may have to work this much. First, I have to reduce my food from here to here and do my work from here to here. And you don't understand listen. Snowballing effect of responsibility cognition. I'm using the word. The snowballing effect of responsibility cognition. You are underestimating the snowballing effect of responsibility cognition. You need to know the great results are caused not by the great action actions, but by the great cognitions. Listen. If Kuppammal has told me, but she told me one thing. She told me in Tamil, நான் என்ன பண்றது சொன்னா கேட்க மாட்டேங்கற, நான் என் பசங்களுக்கும் கொடுக்க மாட்டேன், அந்த கேங்குக்கும் கொடுக்க மாட்டேன், அண்ணாமலையார் கோயில் எழுதி வச்சுட்டு போயிடுறேன், அப்புறம் என்னவோ பண்ணிக்கோ, அது உனக்காச்சு, உன் விருப்பம் தான். She told me very clearly, I will not give this house to my sons because this is a very important kshetra for your life. She told me. Later, லட்சக்கணக்கான பேர் இந்த தெருவெல்லாம் கியூ ஆனின்னு இந்த வீட்டையும் அந்த மேல மலையும் கும்பிட்டு போவானுங்கடா, உனக்கு புரிய மாட்டாங்குதுடா. She told in Tamil, lakhs will stand in queue in the street to have the glimpse of this house and the rock on which you become enlightened. And you are not listening to me. And of course, now I am repenting. We are really repenting. All the struggle we are going through in that Adi Nityananda Peetham is just because I did not listen to her. She made the statement. When time comes, you will understand. And she said, I will not give it to my family. I will give it to Arunachaleshwara temple. And later on, you do what you want. Actually, she gave it to Arunachaleshwara temple. At present, that house is property of Arunachaleshwara temple with a clear will that every year they have to do Abhishekam on my birth star, and in the Navaratri time, I say I was born in Ashtami Tithi, so the Ashtami Tithi 8th day function should be done to Devi in my name, and every Ashtami the Kalabhairava should be worshipped. Kalabhairava is also appeared in Ashtami, so actually exactly the same month Ashtami in which I was born, Kalabhairava manifested. Of course, Krishna also Ashtami, and Ashtami has a lot of significance. So on that, so she made a will, whatever income comes from that properties, the temple has to perform a Abhishekam for Kalabhairava on Ashtami, and on Navaratri day, Ashtami, 8th day celebration for Adi Shakti should be offered, and of course, temple is doing it very integrated way. They follow the usual procedure. Whatever property comes, and from that income, they perform that, those days rituals and Abhishekams. On my birthday and the birth star, they are supposed to perform Abhishekam, and temple is doing. That's different. Understand, before the cognitive shift of responsibility happens, you think, if I work for 1 hour, I am going to get $10. But if I am looking for $10 billion result, then how many hours I have to work? And is it going to happen in this birth? Will I ever be able to achieve? It is called stupidopathy logic. I will give a new name for it. U-turn theory. I have a great story. An amazing construction department was requested to put a signboards in Mysore Road and Bangalore Road guiding people for ashram and adhinam. These fellows went and put a board after the ashram towards the Bangalore saying, take U-turn for 7 kilometers to go to Nityananda Dhyana Peetham. 2 boards. எவனாவது U-turn அடிச்சு திரும்பி ஆசிரமத்துக்கு வருவானாடா? நேர் டர்ன் போர்டு போட்டாலே எத்தனை பேர் வருவாங்கன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது. கொடுத்த பணத்தை எல்லாம் யூ டர்ன் போர்டு போட்டு நாசமாக்கியதனால் இன்றிலிருந்து நீ குருகுலத்து குழந்தைகள் அனைவராலும் ஈஸ்வர பிரியானந்தா என்று அழைக்கப்படுவாயாக. லூசுத்தனத்துக்கு அளவே இல்லையாடா. ஐயோ, பெங்களூர்ல இருந்து ஆசிரமம் வர வழியில போர்டு போடுவாங்க, மைசூர்ல இருந்து ஆசிரமம் வர வழியில போர்டு போடுவாங்க, மைசூர்ல இருந்து வர்ற வழியில ஆசிரமத்தை தாண்டி 7 கிலோமீட்டர் கழிச்சாரா யூட்டர்னுக்கு போர்டு போடுவீங்க. மூளைக்கு பதிலா முட்டைக்கோசு வச்சு நான் அதை செதுக்கிட்டு இருக்கும் போதே கிளவுடி ஆட்டிங்களாடா. இரா 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 இன்னும் முடிக்கலடான்னு சொல்றதுக்குள்ளேயே கீழே ஓடியாந்து. சரி, இது இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் டிஃபெக்ட் கால் ஃபார் பண்ணா ஒருவேளை 7 கிலோமீட்டர்ல யூ டர்ன் போட நீ மிஸ் பண்ணினா 10வது கிலோமீட்டர்ல இன்னொரு யூ டர்ன் போர்டு வச்சிருக்கோண்டா. கம்பாஷனுக்கு ஒரு அளவே இல்லையாடா. கிருஷ்ணா, anyhow, understand, if you think about the result, you will do the reverse calculation. The effort you need to put for the sake of this result, and you will get overwhelmed about the effort you need to put, and you will never start. You will never have the powerfulness to begin is the problem. Because till the responsibility cognition happens, the logic which calculates 1 hour $10 will never be understood as faltu logic. Only if the responsibility cognitive shift happens, you will understand. Hey, the result I need to cause need not even be remembered. Let me start moving, acting, taking the responsibility, making the action. I tell you, if I was told that this is what I would have to create and manage, and great people like Ishwara Priyananda will come and assist me in my mission. A city planning official will resign his job and come and assist you in planning your city, I would have, oh, I am a village boy. How will I talk to them? I don't even know them. Will they all talk to me? Will they? I would have been afraid, thinking of talking to them. Even now I am afraid, that is different. Graduate from the prestigious UIUC University. Is going to resign the job and come and assist me in building my own city. Understand? If I was imagining about the result, I would have done the reverse calculation and felt overwhelmed about the effort I need to put and would have never started. Fortunately, even though my Guru left the body, she did not die. She made sure that cognitive shift happens in me. Now I understand. This result did not get caused by my action, it got caused by my cognitive shift of responsibility. It's not that I have not done actions. Yesterday when we were sitting and seeing all the autobiography pictures, I can see every brick. I built it. From the scratch, how I worked and made the whole thing. We are collecting the photographs and uploading. We have solid evidence, almost 20 hours a day I was working. We have solid evidence. It's not that I was not working, but I never felt I was working because of the cognitive shift of responsibility. I tell you, this is what exactly Krishna means. Work, don't think about the result, because result will be huge, and if you are thinking about the result, you will do the reverse calculation, how much of effort you need to put for causing the result, then you will get overwhelmed about the effort you need to put, and you will never start. And you will land into a great state of Yushvara Priyananda. There are two states, Ishvara and Yushvara. Ishvara is taking responsibility and making it happen. Yushvara is getting overwhelmed about the actions you need to perform, for the results you need to cause, and never move anything. And if you are forced to move, take U-turn. Understand? Catch this one verse and its real meaning. Catch this one verse and its real meaning. You will manifest Sadashivatva. Essence of Krishna's life, message, legacy is life, intense life. It expresses as health, beauty, grandeur, romance, knowledge, responsibility, power in multiple dimension, in multiple ways, but life, intense life. So, essence of today's satsang, life. Enjoy Krishna Janmashtami with this message of life. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
வான்முகில் வளாது பெய்ய மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் கோன்முறை அரசு செய்ய குறையிலாது உயிர்கள் வாழ்க நான் மறை அறங்கள் ஓங்க நற்றவம் வேள்வி மல்க மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்குக உலகமெல்லாம் முகில் வளாது பெய்ய மலிவளம் சுரக்க மன்னன் கோன்முறை அரசு செய்ய குறையிலாது உயிர்கள் வாழ்க நான் மறை அறங்கள் ஓங்க நற்றவம் வேள்வி மல்க மேன்மை கொள் சைவ நீதி விளங்கு